Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. So this is a video for chapter 5 hydrocarbons. In this video, we're going to look on the mechanism for hydration of alkenes. This is example 2 for mechanism of the hydration of alkene. So write down the mechanism for the reaction below yang mana kita ada dekat sini 1-butene, and we're going to react this 1-butene in acidified water. So water in acidic medium over here. Okay, again sebelum kita start kita punya mechanism, apa yang perlu kita buat adalah kita tentukan dulu kita punya produk. And for this one, okay, apa yang kita akan tambah pada carbon-carbon double bond kita dekat sini? Okay, so this is carbon number 1, this is carbon number 2. So since we are doing hydration, we're going to add H and also OH to our carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, now which atom will go to carbon number 1, which one will go to carbon number 2? So kita akan follow the Markovnikov rule. Hydrogen will go to the carbon with more hydrogen atoms. Okay, jadi hydrogen akan pergi ke carbon mana? Hydrogen akan pergi ke carbon 1, OH akan pergi ke carbon 2. So, kita lukis kita punya produk and we get our product over here as 2-butanol. So, let's take a look at the hydration process of 1-butene to become 2-butanol. So, let's start with step 1, formation of carbocation. So we have our alkene over here dan kita akan reactkan dengan kita punya H3O+ over here. So reaction akan berlaku dekat mana tadi? So the reaction is going to start over here at our hydronium ion. Okay, yang mana kita akan breakkan the oxygen hydrogen bond so that we going to make the oxygen over here stable. So one arrow over here from the bond towards the oxygen. So as a result of that, the hydrogen over here becomes positively charged, and once it becomes a positively charged, dia akan jadi electrophile. So a nucleophile over here, which is at our carbon-carbon double bond, which is electron rich, akan pergi ambil kita punya hydrogen. Okay, so an arrow from the carbon-carbon double bond towards the hydrogen. Okay. Sekarang ni kita kena pilih hydrogen ni nak pergi attach dekat carbon mana? Is it at carbon 1 ataupun at carbon 2 over here? So kita akan follow our Markovnikov rule yang kata hydrogen will attach at the carbon with more hydrogen. So which is our carbon 1. Okay, jadi kita akan lukislah dekat sini. So at carbon number 1 there will be hydrogen attached, and at carbon number 2 it becomes a carbocation. Whereas our hydronium ion tadi, dia akan jadi water. So this is for step number 1. Step number 2, formation of protonated alcohol. So kita lukis balik kita punya carbocation tadi dan kita akan reactkan kali ini dengan water molecule. So as you can see over here, the oxygen is a nucleophile. It has extra electrons. Okay, lone pair dekat sini. And this is our electrophile, the carbocation. So the nucleophile akan pergi attack the electrophile over here. So kita akan lukis arrow daripada lone pair kepada carbon. As a result, we're going to get our protonated alcohol. Macam mana kita dapat protonated alcohol? The carbon over here will attach itself to oxygen. Kalau attach, it will form bond. Okay, and as a result of that, oxygen over here will become positively charged. So this is our protonated alcohol that we're going to bring to step 3. So step 3 is the elimination of proton from the protonated alcohol for us to form our product, the alcohol. Okay, now kita dah lukis balik tadi kita punya protonated alcohol, and kita akan reactkan sekali lagi dengan water molecule. So kita akan start daripada sini, where we're going to make the positive charge over here disappear. Okay, cara dia macam mana? Kita pulangkan balik elektron kepada oksigen by breaking this oxygen-hydrogen bond. So 2 electrons from the bond goes to oxygen. Okay, untuk pulangkan balik lone pair pada oxygen. So this hydrogen becomes positively charged. The electrons from the oxygen akan ambil kita punya hydrogen tadi. So as a result, kita akan dapat kita punya alcohol. So dekat sini tadi, oxygen akan dapat baliklah dia punya lone pair. So kita dapat kita punya alcohol over here. And we get back our hydronium ion. The one that we use firstly tadi dekat step 1. So overall, these are the steps for the mechanism of hydration for example 2 for our 1-butene. Daripada 1-butene, kita nak hasilkan 2-butanol dekat sini. So that's all for this video and thank you for listening.